In today's digital landscape, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed. But with so many websites out there, how do you make sure that your site is seen by the right people? That's where SEO comes in. It's the process of making your website rank higher in search engine results by using relevant keywords, providing a great user experience, and building high-quality links. By following these best practices, you can reach more of the right people and establish a strong online presence. It's important to note that SEO is an ongoing process. It's not something that you can set and forget. It's constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date. Want to learn more about SEO and how it can benefit your business? Contact us today to schedule a consultation and see how we can help you improve your search engine rankings and establish a strong online presence. Or visit our website for more information on SEO.